So the weird thing about factory processes is they don't work as well as everybody thinks they do. Everybody thinks you're making an airplane, you're making a detergent or something, it just works and you press the button and it happens. But the weird truth is it doesn't. When I started working in manufacturing, I've spent about 10 years in manufacturing, and that was one of the biggest wake-ups to me. I'm in the factory and a whole batch of product gets scrapped, and that's normal. And somehow you have to ship the product out the door, make money, and in the meantime you're scrapping vast amounts of product. So for me that was like, I cannot believe this is the reality, and I wanted to solve that. So that's what we're doing with Metis Labs. All of the information around optimizing the process is somewhere within the data sets. It's just not understood. There are so many variables and so many non-linearities in the system. So we take sensor data and we use a AI-based algorithm to learn the relationships between the sensor data and the output of the process. So effectively you can do away with the stuff I learned at university as a mechanical engineer, like physical systems and what is the length of the pipe and what is the loss factor. We don't need that, we just learn that from the data. So we're using that to be able to predict outcome of processes, understand the variables that are having the biggest impact, and in real time optimize and improve the outcome. So the result is saving tons of product and loads of energy.